Morning fellas, Peace Productions. I've got a 2260 which has been sent to us with a few issues we're going to have a look at. So I'm just going to strip it down. It's been removed from the stock. It was sent to me minus the stock for safety, which is easier on the packaging as well. Also, normally you would remove the safety. See it there? You would normally remove the safety to take the stock off, but this has been put in so the gun's fully operational. So that's all there is. That's all there is to it. The safety's on there now. So that's it. There's nothing in it. So I'm just going to strip it down, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to remove the trigger first. 11mm spanner. On it goes. Take off the front mounting screw or boss, whichever you want to call it. Standard screwdriver in the back. Remove the screw. The trigger frame and everything comes off. It's one unit. You haven't got your ball bearings in like you normally 22 range, and it's a sealed unit. There you go. This one's already been modded with a steel breech, which is a nice addition. So round the other end, we'll take out the CO2 cap. That comes out. Front sight off. Front barrel band off. Back round again. We're into the gubbins now. So it's not a hidden breech screw, but you need to take the hammer spring out first. So rear breech screw out. See? Fiddly, but it's coming. Rear breech screw. End cap. Hammer spring. Seen better days. Not in the best shape. Hammer back. Breech end cap out. That leaves you with a breech attached. Obviously the hammer's back. This one's already had an upgraded screw put in. It's had the original tiny little Allen key taken out, and it's had an upgraded stainless steel screw, flat blade, which is a great help. Take that off. Come on. There we go. Remove the barrel spacer, the little screw, and that TP was blown out either side, so that TP, ooh, has certainly seen better days. Right, no worries there, we're going to renew it with an upgraded one. But that's you can see where the CO2 and any lube that's been on the CO2 cart's been blown out. I'm just going to take it down to its components. Barrel off. Steel breech. Probe out. Right, now we're looking at cotton pin, hammer, and now we're into the valve. Screw out the back, sorry, bottom, Now comes the valve, simple as that. And there we have it. I'm going to get in touch with the owner and I'm going to find out if it wants it tuned, cleaned, put back together correctly, and then when I put it back together I'll do an assembly video. There you go, 2260 in bits, as quick as that. Thanks guys.